What's up everybody, it's your boy here, Abdul from Tech112. Yeah, it's like a week I didn't give out the video and I was kind of bit of tough. My schedule was a little bit tough. Okay, let me push the fast forward. Okay, on this video today guys, I have something to say upon the Tecno Camon CM. I know you guys, you have seen the device. It's a little bit hyped. It's like I think 2 days past since they announced it that this is an official device and it's out there on store, and I'm doing my best to go and give out a hands on it. I'm doing guys my best. It's a little bit tough day, but don't worry guys, I'll make it happen. Okay, so I have a little bit to say on this kind of device. I know that 18 and 9 aspect body ratio on terms of display is something which is very great. I know all of you are like hyped with that phone, but some of you are not hyped with that phone and continue using perhaps Tecno Camon CX Air, or you are using Tecno Camon CX and Phantom 8. Okay, I'll still break it down on the Camon CM. The only thing what they implemented on the device, something which is not that much quite amazing I can say, is that it's only the body ratio, aspect body ratio. It's something which is quite normal, but the specification, nothing. So if you're out there looking forward to go and buy the device, I can tell you something. You have two options. Either you roll out to buy a Tecno Camon CX, which is a good, wonderful device, you won't get disappointed, or you just want a full aspect body ratio and the specification they're like, yeah, and you won't be liking them. So it's just kind of two options which you have. But for me, I can give you an advice from my perspective. Don't go and buy the Tecno Camon CM. Look guys, like seriously, you are hyped perhaps with the aspect body ratio, but perhaps the specification are more important, and okay, it's fine that aspect body ratio, it matters on screen, but the device is only having an aspect body ratio, even doesn't have a 2 dual cameras at the back. Okay, it's fine, it's a good device, it's a newer device, 2018, no problem with that, but the main problem is only one feature on the device. So perhaps it's just like open door for Techno that they'll just come up with a newer advanced more devices. For me to advise to Techno, if you Techno guys are watching my video, my advice to you guys, only one thing: please give us updates. Though you give your smartphone, they're great, we like them, we use them in daily, no problem. Budget smartphone out there which are good, not bad. Sometimes they're like but they're good. Okay, what we want from you guys, please give us update, or if you don't give us update, at least tell us that in a couple of a while we'll be dropping updates. Updates have been a little bit problem with everybody. Like everyone is switching your devices to buy a newer device because of that Android 8.0 which is out there. But the main thing here, you guys, you should a little bit stick with the updates. We love your device. Whatever you did last year, it's amazing. Those devices like Tecno Camon CX Air, Tecno Camon CX, Tecno Camon CX Manchester City, Techno Phantom 8, they're amazing devices. I have no doubt on that. But the main thing which I have biggest doubt on that is updates. So if you guys will fix the updates, everybody will be impressive and everybody will like it. So thank you guys for watching. If you find this video very interesting, don't hesitate to drop a thumbs up and don't hesitate to subscribe, because we are about to hit 600 subscribers. And I have to give an advice for the policy. I know some of you are creators watching my video just like me, and I think you got the notification of YouTube that you are suspended on getting the ads on your videos. If you don't know the ads on my video, like the one which they just pop up here and everywhere, you are suspended. I even got that message, so I have no doubt on that. The only thing I can give you an advice, I've seen a lot of people that are disappointing people. The only thing I can give you an advice is that make videos. Just make videos.
The only way to learn these things and get better at these things is by doing it over and over and over.
Make a good content, put it on YouTube, make it something awesome. That's the only thing. Trust me, you'll hit that range of those views which you want to view them. You can hit them up, and after hitting them up, advertisement, they will be back on your channel, and yeah, that's ASAP. I think YouTube did something which is amazing on that. I know some of you are disappointed, but to me, I can tell you something. That is called manpower. Push yourself forward so as to get it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. Peace.